So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So it's a girl Curry Gooders and I'm here with another video. So guys, this video is very devastating. I don't think no man could ever let me stoop to this level to do these things. Female, when I see them something here, you see how she burned down the man house and she did a laugh and a tear out her bottom and I have fun out of it. Imagine if a guy did do that to her. You see everybody start chastise the man. The whole community that maybe come down on the man already, and start beat him, Because them would say he's a wicked boy and he's a wicked this and he's a wicked that. So that's why people, so when I say I come out here, I'm talk fear, I'm always telling you say it is not man alone a wicked, it have some wicked girl. Come here watch this and it pain my heart and my house. You go burn down a man's house because you give the man your body and him not give you nothing. If you lower your standard a certain way, that's the treatment you are looking for. You understand? Some of these female, them know the man not give them nothing. Maybe the man will have a look at one girl and that maybe get to her head. So she start worry about the money. Because she didn't know the boy didn't have no money for give her. You understand? But she a burned down house. And look how she throw away her life. That's the next thing. I'm wondering if she thinking about these things. She not realize that she dash away her life right there, so. She dash away her life, Because this I go surface because me I share it because of effort she do. And other people are gonna share it. She dash away her life. Right now you see how she laugh and I go on and I carry on and thing. Just wait till later on. As I'm telling you people. It have some man who wicked, but it have some woman who are really wicked too, Because look upon the man place where she burn down. You understand? Just by where the man live, you know so the man not have it. You see me? And you burn down the man place. Then what you expect? What you expect? And I know people that's why people need to stop being biased because of true, because of how society is so biased against males. Man. That's the reason why she can do this. Because anyhow, I did the man do that. You don't know what happened? The whole community that come down upon him and have something to say. Yeah? Them would have want to bash him, them would have start, them would have maybe beat him or kill him or something. You see how she all enjoy herself? Video man can't video her and she don't get too slap yet. This can't right people. I just hope I she rejoice when the police them come for her. You understand? Because either the man are going to catch her or the police. I hope the police catch her first. Because she not have no sense. The man F her and not give her no money. That's what when the man asks the little girl say, I have to go and style her because I'm so grieved. Why you burn down the man house? Because him F me. And him not give me no money. Then people want to tell me something. The man not, she not said the man put her hand on her. I could understand if the boy beat her up or something and she just get mad and say, you know what? Lighter her matches and gas. You see me? And she feels so proud. And the next thing is, look how close the other houses are. You understand? What if she catch people house? And that is a big fire because the fire that blaze. What she gonna tell the next people them if them house get catch in the fire? You understand? Female, think up and be smart. Be smart. This is total madness. You understand? This is total madness. Look how she look. Nah, give me the money and him F me out. Them something a madness. Female don't make no man or males don't make no female make no stoop to certain level of doing this stupidness. You understand? Do not. It have a thing called karma. You see, as long as the person don't put them hand on you, because she must know say the boy not give her no money. She have a choice of leaving this guy. Why burning the guy house down? You have a choice to leave him. Why you stay? Because you want to stay. Female, we all have a choice. If you deal with a man and him a beat you, there's many ways out of it. You know, sometimes it's hard, worse when you're living at the inner city. But in this situation, I know the man a beat her. I don't know, and money the boy not give her. So why would you stay with him if it's so bother you? Because it can be like the guy not have no money. Because we know what time we're in right now. You understand? Why would you burn down his property? I could understand if she really say, I know I said this before, he's abusive, him do this to her. You understand? But no, she did not say nothing like that. She said him F me out and don't want to give me no money. You understand? I don't know if she's a prostitute or if she has sell her body or whatever, which is the same thing. You understand? I don't know if that's what she's doing. And she decided, and the man not pay her no money. The man carried it and not pay her no money, but according to what they're saying, she bound down her man house. You understand? The girl are really Yamabella. I'm not lie. Because she just dash away her life and don't even realize. Because the way she go on, I don't think she really realize what she just do. Just imagine all if that catch even somebody else's house and more charge and stuff on her. I know she not think about all of that, you know. She like team house, but she not think about all of that. Because remember, it's not a ranch the man live on, you know, where the house they house in the bush. Where she not worry about other people. But anyway, people, please remember to subscribe to my video. Share my video them. Tell a friend about life with Curry Gooders. I'll keep coming with the updates.
Reporting live from Cassava Peace Kingston. This girl just burned down her man house.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
What the man there? What the man there make you do that?
Media platform. And guys, you could follow me on IG, Curry_Gooders_. Follow me on TikTok, Curry_Gooders29. Bless upon a nice clean self, people, and just go and watch and listen the actual clip of the video. What is about to come in a few seconds. You understand? I also want to watch and listen to her for yourself and hear what the local numbskull say. You understand? And the reason why she blazed the man place. You see me? I'm just sorry when the boy catch her.
Reporting live from Cassava Peace Kingston. This girl just burned down her man house. What the man there? What the man there make you do that?